Welcome to our PS4 remote repair tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to repair your PS4 remote. Let's get started by removing the 4 screws located on the back of the remote. First, grab a small Phillips head screwdriver. Carefully remove the 4 screws as shown. Be sure to keep the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them.
Great job! Now that we've removed the screws, it's time to open the PS4 remote. We'll be using a small flathead screwdriver for this step. Screwdriver into the seam on the side of the remote. Gently twist the screwdriver to create a small gap. Be patient and take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Continue working your way around the sides of the remote, slowly prying it open. It's essential to be gentle and methodical, as forcing the remote open can cause damage. Once you've created enough of a gap, you can use your fingers to carefully separate the 2 halves of the remote. Be cautious and go slowly, as there are delicate components inside. Take your time and ensure that you don't pull too hard on any internal wires or components. Your patience will pay off in the end. Excellent! You've successfully opened your PS4 remote. Now we can proceed to the next steps of the repair process. Now that we have the PS4 remote fully open, let's proceed with removing the battery. This is a crucial step in ensuring safety during the repair process. First, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component connected to the motherboard with a small plug. Carefully unplug the battery by gently pulling on the connector. Be sure to pull the connector straight out to avoid bending the pins. Once the battery is unplugged, lift it out of the remote. If the battery is secured with adhesive, gently pry it loose using a plastic opening tool or your fingers. Place the battery in a safe place. Removing the battery ensures that the remote is completely powered off, reducing the risk of electrical shorts during the repair. Great job! With the battery safely removed, we can now focus on repairing the internal components of your PS4 remote. Next, we'll focus on unplugging the touchpad. This step is essential for gaining full access to the internal components. Locate the touchpad connector on the motherboard. It's usually a ribbon cable connected to a small socket. Carefully lift the locking tab on the socket. This will release the ribbon cable, allowing you to gently pull it out. Take your time and be gentle, as the ribbon cable is delicate and can be easily damaged. Once the ribbon cable is free, set it aside carefully. Ensure it's not tangled or under tension to avoid any damage. Great work! The touchpad is now disconnected, allowing us to access and repair the remaining components.